Shalom and welcome to our first annual Camp Junior. It's about the children today. Camp Junior is an acronym for Chosen and Mighty Priesthood. So the children are excited. They have packed to stay overnight in our tabernacle, and today is loaded with instructors and classes and water balloons, games. Some of it is for fun, some of it is for education. We have basic first aid training for children. We have rafting and kayaking. We have making distillers, baking. So depending on your instructor and who you're with and your age and your gender, you're gonna have a loaded amount of fun. So scan around, check out the crowd. They're starting to come in. This is my family. Hey guys,